Hey guys, welcome back to Voltage Learning. In today's circuit, we have a series circuit with a resistor and a capacitor all in series, along with a switch and a battery. Our question is, if the switch closes at t equals 0 seconds, what is the voltage across the capacitor when we extrapolate this to t equals 5 seconds? Now, while this is going to involve some complicated math, we can break this down pretty quickly into 3 simple steps. In step 1, we simply write the equation. The equation for capacitor voltage is V sub C equals V sub S, which is the source voltage, multiplied by 1 minus e to the minus t over tau. Mind you, tau is going to be the time constant which we need to calculate in the next step. So step 2, let's actually calculate the time constant tau. When it comes to tau, we know that the equation for that is going to be R times C, R being the resistance and C being the capacitance of the circuit. We know that R equals 10k ohms and C equals 100 microfarads. So when we simply multiply those two together, we get T equals 1 second. Now that is going to be the value that we plug into the first equation. So likewise, in step number 3, let's go back to that equation and plug everything in. We know the value of T is going to be equal to 5 seconds. So V sub C is equal to 5 volts, which is the source voltage, multiplied by 1 minus e to the minus 5 over 1. We've simply plugged in the time constant and the time required in the prompt. So this simplifies to 5 times 1 minus 0.0067. And when we plug this into our calculator, we get a capacitor voltage at t equals 5 seconds of roughly 4.97 volts. So to summarize, we first wrote the equation for capacitor voltage in an RC circuit. We then had to find the time constant using the given values of resistor and current. And finally, we plugged everything in back into the equation we wrote in step number 1 to find the capacitor voltage at 5 seconds. So if you want more circuits, walkthroughs, or engineering interview prep, visit us at voltagelearning.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.